bike check. Okay, so I've got just a regular old green rim with Hyperco axles and pegs and frame. It's called the Nightmare and it's Chameleon. Hyperco axles on the back and just a black seat. Hyperbike metal pedals, stainless steel cranks made from Hyper, I think. Either Hyper or Mongoose. As you can see, my bike is a Pro 20 Series Hyper Nightmare. I like Hyper bikes, as you can tell. I've got these stupid brakes on it, which I'm about to take off. I hate brakes on my bikes. And, well, got some Mongoose tires on it. Got some pretty good tread. It's a little dirty because I just got back from a little session at the skate park. Got some Mongoose tires on the front too. Got pretty nice tread. A little bit of dirt and mud. It's alright though. Got a nice green little thingy thing. And that's my bike check. And by tomorrow, I should have a ramping video out. And thank you. Alright. See you guys tomorrow.